Right now, we're kind of just getting a preview. And in fact, across most of the area right now, it's just really light rain. Not everybody is experiencing those flooding rains, but for those of you that are, yes, you're dealing with some flash flooding associated with that. So let's talk about it here. Satellite and radar, what you're seeing moving toward the Chicagoland region is all associated with the remnants of Beryl. So we have that tropical moisture that we're working with here, and we're going to see a lot of rain being squeezed out of this. So zooming things in, all of the green that you're seeing showing up here, that's a fairly light rain that's beginning to come down. Once you get into that yellow shading, it's more of a moderate rainfall. And then when you see the oranges, the reds, that's when we have those really heavy torrential downpours. And that's unfortunately what we were dealing with across southern Cook County, northwestern Lake County for about an hour. We had nearly stationary heavy downpours that were coming down. So for that reason, we do have a flash flood warning remaining in effect until 6:45 p.m. for southeastern Cook County, stretching eastward into northwestern Lake County. Places like East Chicago, Whiting, seeing some pretty heavy rain because of this. In fact, we picked up 3 inches of rain in less than 30 minutes in some locations within this flash flood warning. So that's why that warning was issued. I've seen multiple videos of flooded roadways. Of course, whenever you see that, if you are heading out for your evening commute soon or you have some errands to run, do not drive through flooded roadways. You never really know how deep that's going to be. Of course, it's really bad for your car, too. Zooming things in even further, now pushing west-southwest through portions of Cook County, so moving west to the west side of Chicago, passing Midway. We're seeing some pretty heavy downpours now, too. So for those of you in places like Burbank, Bridgeview, Summit, you're seeing some heavy rain. This stretches to the north, closer to Brookfield. So again, this is pushing to the west-southwest. You're going to be picking up some heavy rain, and we're not seeing lightning associated with this. It's just the heavy rain potential. So again, we do have that flash flood warning in southeastern Cook County, northwestern Lake County. The rest of this that you're seeing showing up here in green, that is an aerial flood watch. That's going to remain in effect until 1 p.m. tomorrow. Because it's not just this evening that we're dealing with the rain. We're stuck with rain tonight and then through the first half of your day tomorrow. So generally speaking, the heaviest totals are going to be south and east of I-55. And you'll notice here a lot of locations showing between 1 and 4 inches of rain being possible. And this is kind of a blanket statement. Again, when we get those heavier downpours to develop, you can very, very quickly pick up several inches of rain. And that's exactly what happened in southeastern Cook County and northwestern Lake County previously today. Futurecast taking us throughout this evening and tonight. Here comes the low pressure system. And again, this is the remnants of Beryl. So we have a lot of moisture to work with. We're stuck with those heavy downpours tonight through early tomorrow. Finally, by midday tomorrow, it's moving off toward the east-northeast. We'll have drying conditions, but very gusty winds out of the north-northwest tomorrow on the backside of that storm system. And then looking ahead to Thursday, high pressure begins to build in. There's a very small chance for an isolated shower on Thursday, but most areas end up staying dry, and we're going to be a little bit warmer too. Tonight, 67 degrees. We'll have that heavy rain. Tomorrow, 78, rain in the morning and then mainly dry in the afternoon. 81 on Thursday, Friday, hot and sunny, 86, 88 on Saturday. By Sunday and Monday, we are well into the 90s. Keep it here. We'll have more local news coming up.